Hello guys and welcome back to DashCam channel, a channel featuring some of the most exciting and best road moments captured on driver's dashcam. So make sure to sit tight for this one, because you'll definitely enjoy.
What am I doing, dude? You're the one who decided to put your blinkers on too late, dude. I saw that middle finger. Hey, come on, dude. Hey, come on.
Look at this guy, middle of the road.
Watch. That kind of hurts because of the blink.
This crazy driver was doing double the speed limit in a residential area, but he got caught on camera and reported to the police.
Wet roads can be dangerous, especially if you have bad tires. One driver lost control on the road, but luckily he didn't hit anyone. Pay close attention at this crazy Karen who was trying to merge out onto the road. She had a clear view of the camera approaching, and despite that, she still decided to endanger herself and the camera's safety by pulling out. This is unbelievable.
He's exactly the type of player that Real Madrid fans adore. He's the guy who comes, shows up when it's needed to. He scores in the final minute of the game when you think everything is done, and suddenly he rescues Real Madrid from a defeat.
The fans love him.
It's love, is adoration, is he's become.
Pay close attention at this careless driver in front of the camera. He completely ignored the stop sign.
Yeah, Jesus Christ, dude. Right? Driving like you're dead the whole way down. Thank you. Thank you. Don't run the red. You're gonna run the red. There you go, run the red. Stop. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We move. Thank you. Hello. 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 Good job, lady. Thanks. A lot.
In this video, you will see how recklessly a trucker acts in traffic. He was tailgating other cars for no reason at all. Luckily, the camera had enough space for him to fit in. But this is crazy.
To the exclusion of anything else.
She is.
Continue for 4 miles.
Funny. I mean, you can see by the way it's not funny, like, but it's that she comes out with in front of you and your brother, Dinesh, and also we learned quite a lot about.
The purpose of this video is to serve as a pointer as to how not to behave in traffic. Take this crazy driver for example. He was swerving in and out of other vehicles as if they were not on the road at all, and he didn't care if he's about to cause an accident or not. Whatever you do, don't behave like this guy. It's totally mind-blowing that a driver can think that it's actually okay to cut the road like this when your view is blocked. Whatever you do, refrain from doing this.
This is exactly the outcome of running a red light.
Best thing to my calendar? Canadians lose a lot of sleep over money.
Hopefully you
So
win
we
something
created
these
Sleep
tickets you
Advisor
got.
by Scotia
Dude, what
Advice
the?
Plus. Everything to help you worry less.
Whoa!
Visit scotiabank.com/sleepadvisor.
Whoa, dude.
You're recording!
Dude, no.
With so many holiday solutions.
Be on that side. Moron. What's that all about?
Driver in front of the camera got distracted a bit, and as a result, he rear-ended the vehicle.
Okay, so we can do that.
Watch out.
You always have to indicate and pay attention at your mirrors, especially during a rush hour. This is something the driver in this clip didn't account for. The car had a legal right to make the right from its lane, but should learn to give extra room when turning beside a semi-truck, especially when in town and city roads.
It's just this round ball, this silver round ball, and I look at it, and we're talking about something else. Excuse me. Is that
Okay, Presto.
yeah, good eye. I'm like,
Dumbass.
Sputnik. And there's only 3 of them. One was in space.
Oh my god. My god.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and maybe learning something valuable. After all, we will really appreciate that. And if you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like because that will mean the world. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe.